Sarap.
Sobrang sarap.
Yung X4 ata yan, yung bagong model. X3 to eh.
Talagang kahit anong galaw mo, hindi siya mag-burn. Ayan ah.
Ito mas na yung ginagamit.
Ayun na!
Hello, beautiful day, beautiful girl. Hey. Ala bro, la.
Whatever the word, I don't know, but
Sama ko to sa vlog. Hey guys, and good morning. This is going to be a day in my life at the hospital. It's already 6:45 AM. Alam ko maaga ako nagising. Kasi nga, syempre ganito yung body clock ko. Pumapasok ako sa work. Nasanay na tayo. But anyways, what I'm just doing is, ako ay nag-exercise. Not literally exercise. Siguro stretching lang. Kasi ilang hours din akong nakahiga. So, masakit yung aking lower back. Tapos, yung mga paa. Kaya, ini-stretch ko sila. Ayan, nandito ako sa hospital. So, for this year, this is my first time na ma-hospitalize ulit. Pero, ito naman is, I don't know if this is connected with my pre-existing condition. Pero, ayan, i-share ko na lang din na what happened. So, yesterday, I went to the office and then I was just working. Then, nung hinatid pa ako sa morning, maayos pa ako. I went to the washroom. Then, I was kind of like skeptical. Umihi ako, guys. Tapos nagulat ako, may dugo siyang kasama. I don't know why. It wasn't comfy. Buti na lang, andun yung manager ko and other colleagues. I told my manager na I need to go to the ER because I saw blood on my urine. Dali-dali kami pumunta. We went here at exactly 11 AM. And then, napunta muna ako sa ER bago ako ma-admit, of course. Then, they gave me like painkillers just to fight lang yung pain na naramdaman ko. And then, the doctor told me there's an infection. She told me the results. Kasi kinuhaan ako ng blood urine. So, dun sa urine test ko, guys, yung bottle ng urine is puro blood. Tapos, I also had a fever. Sabi nga nung doctor na, it's okay to get admitted para at least ma-observe ako, at least for a night. I just want to say good morning to you all, even if, you know, I'm experiencing this or we're experiencing struggles, hurdles, or problems in life because that's part of our lives. It's part of being a human. I just want to say na just stay positive. Even, you know, things happen, may sakit ka man, or wala, or may problema ka man, we just need to be grateful because we are given another gift of life. There's more to life. And part to ng pagiging Disney princess ka. Just kidding aside, I'm gonna have like my early breakfast. I'll just show you lang how my day looks like. Sa hospital lang. Just gonna go to the washroom, guys. Just gonna prepare for today. And then, hopefully, mapanood mo nyo man tong vlog na to. Nakalabas na ako ng hospital. And magaling na ako. I always believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel. So, lover no tayo. Peace out. Hello, guys. Just gonna have breakfast. Hindi pa naman ako gutom. Yeah, but anyways, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna eat for this morning for breakfast. Nilagay ko lang yung melon sa oatmeal. Parang hindi siya gumagana. Or parang hindi bumabagsak yung gamot. Yung fluids. Hey guys, just a quick update. I just finished eating and pooping. Yung kumain ka tapos nilabas mo rin. Joke lang. I had a video call with my mom. And like lots of messages, like lots of love messages I am receiving like right now, as in from my family, from my friends. They're asking like, how am I? So I'm still grateful even though I'm here, diba? Thank you so much, guys. And also you guys, thank you very much then for watching my vlogs, for supporting my videos. Hey guys, right now I'm just watching a movie. But before this, pumunta yung doctor ko, nephrologist. Tapos, we had some discussion about the result. Okay naman daw, normal. Pero, sabi niya magstay pa daw ako until tomorrow kasi bukas may gagawin akong another urine test and blood test. And then now, nag-IV fluid. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-antibiotics. Share ka lang. Hey guys, I just finished having lunch. Hindi ko alam kung naka-update ako sa inyo. Ngayon na naantok ako, so probably tutulog tayo ngayon. And it's already 1 o'clock para makapag-rest tayo. Because your girl needs to recover fast from this. Bye guys, I'll see you later. I just woke up from the nap kanina. I had merienda, which was orange. Dala nila tita kagabi kasi nagdala sila ng fruits for me. Skyflakes. Tapos ngayon nag-scroll lang ako sa kahit anong social media apps because I'm bored. Just a quick update. Another set of antibiotics. So every 6 hours, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Hey guys! I'm about to drink this med. Ang gagawin ko is i-dissolve ko lang siya sa water. So yung effect niya, this relieves prickling and burning sensation and reduces uric acid level. Water. Cheers, guys, to a healthy life. Para siyang baking soda. Charot. Hindi. Para siyang sparkling water. Ganyan. Because water is life. Done. Mamaya pala, madedeliver na yung dinner ko. So, nagdi-dinner ako dito at 6 p.m. para mag-rin makasleep. Here's my dinner, guys. Pancit rice, mushroom, that's a soup, and guacamole, and banana. So yeah, let's eat. It's actually good. Sarap, guys. At good morning. Today's January 23. It's 5:35 a.m. Biyak ako kasi no. Kinahanap pala ako ng blood tests. Tapos, I also had my urine test na din. Hello guys! Just a quick update. Nakauwi na pala kami kagabi around 9:30. Tapos nakatulog na ako mga 10 p.m. Kasi may mga inasikaso pa doon, mga papers, kailangan, parang for clearance, something like that, para ma-discharge ako. At least kahit pa paano dito na ako sa bahay. Kasi ayoko na talaga sa hospital. Feeling ko, nasa kulungan ako. Ang advice rin naman ng doctor, pwede naman ako ma-discharge. And sana, gumaling na ako. Ayun lang talaga pinagdarasal ko. And I just want to remind you that tomorrow is another day to slay the day. Bye! See you on my next vlog!